Hello and welcome everyone to Brothers TechTube. This is our first review and we are going to review the Panasonic ER2031K trimmer. So I got this from an online shop here in Bangladesh. You can get this on Amazon. In the box some photographs are the tutorials. Now let's see what's inside the box of this package. You get a user manual and you get a simple bag to protect it from in case you carry it when you are traveling. Then you get a charger and which is standard. A small tiny brush, and let's see what's there, and oil gel, it says, to protect it from protect the blade, keep the blade. So we'll give you a closer look. This is the controller for adjustment. So if you want to get bigger review or small, this is the clip you get with the trimmer to adjust. Now coming, just to let you know that there are not many clips with this trimmer, just comes with very simple one. I bought it only for this reason, that this is got just a single clip to adjust for the hair or beard, because it's so simple. This is the switch, power one switch, and this is the switch to detach the blade from the trimmer. So after every time you use it, you have to detach, and I guess you know already to clean it. And now I'll show you how you can detach the blade. Now you gotta push the button a little harder, and there is two clips in the inside, just to give you a head start. Now let's give you a closer look at the blade, so you can have a very good idea about the blade. Now there are other blades too, and other products that you can get for quite less than 700, but this is a quality product, as it says on the inside, made in Japan. This is the motor you get. Now about the lifespan of the blade and battery, just to let you know that in the manual it says that it can last up to 3 years, the battery and the blade. This is the clip switch. Into now, just to give you a quick information, that here 1 doesn't mean 1 millimeter. 1 means 2 millimeter, and if you completely detach the clip, you can get about 0.5 millimeter long beard. And this is this clip is quite tight, so you got to push it a little harder. Now I guess that's all about this Panasonic trimmer. If you have any more questions, then drop it in the comment section. And if you like the video, I'm not a professional one, but I guess I have tried my best to give you a quick review of the product. So that's all. If you like the video, then please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. That's it for today. Signing off. Bye bye.